forgot to make the video, starting the video. Now it is recording. So I'm just telling one more time. In this question number 6, we have to find the highest and lowest marks, and we found it as 95 and 39. Then second is find the range of marks obtained. This is 95 minus 39. Yes, all these questions are in book only, beta. Abbas. Now answer is 56. 1 second, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Now, third part is mean marks obtained by group. The mean marks will be given by what you are seeing, beta. Range is 73. When highest is 95, lowest is 39. So range is this only. I guess so. Please check one more time. The third part is mean marks, and we know mean is given by sum of all observations upon total number of observations. Now add all the values, 90 plus 85 plus 39 plus 45. Please tell me the answer of this sum, all of you. Please tell me the answer. Okay. Tushita is saying this 730. Okay. So you have to add all the values like this only. 1 second. Let me take it here. Chat window. Okay. Now 48 plus 56 plus 95 plus 81 plus 75. Yes, but this is your classwork. One more thing. If you have done one question already, you don't have to do it again. Okay. We will do one question only once. If you have done it already, no issue. Upon you have to count number of values. There are how many students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 values. So upon 10, when you add, you will get 730 upon 10. So answer is 73. This is the average or mean marks. Okay. I hope you got this. Abhas, it is very simple. You have to add all the observations divided by total number of observations, and you will get the mean. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Actually, one has doubt in question 5, so I'm repeating it one more time. Please see question 5. 1 second. The chat window. Okay. Let's take it fast. Question 5. It was saying following table shows points of each player they scored in 4 games. Kushal is asking, sir, is mean and average same? Yes, beta, they are same. Mokshita is saying answer is 98. Okay. Please see question 5, first part. First part. Find the mean to determine A's average number of points score per game. To find mean of A, what we have to do is we will take points of A and divide by number of games. So you can see the first game he has obtained 14 points, in second game 16 points, in third game 10 points, and in fourth game 10 points. So 4 games are there, so upon 4. That is equal to 14 plus 16 is 30, 40 and 50. So 50 upon 4 is the mean. So you have to find it. 2 2s are 4, 2 25s are 50, 2 1s are 2, 2 12s are 24.5. So answer is 12.5 is the mean. Second part is saying To find mean number of points per game for C, would you divide by 3 or 4? Let us see. C has played 1 game, 2 game and 3 game. So the question is asking, while finding the mean for C, you will divide by 3 or you will divide by 4. Simple question. We have to divide by 3 only because the games C has played is only 3. C didn't play game number 3, so we will divide by 3 only. Okay? Is it clear to all of you? The third part is saying B played in all 4 games. How would you find the mean? Sir, as you will explain question number 7 in the classwork, and the same question is in worksheet 2. So this question we have to do as classwork or worksheet. Listen, worksheet is given to you so that you can try that question from your side. In classwork, if I find the question is difficult, I take. If a question is discussed over here, don't do it again. Okay? Still, if you want, you can do. From my side, one question should be there at least one time. Okay? From my side, one question should be there at least one time in your register, either in classwork or homework. If you want to practice, you can do it again in the homework. Sir, is the work uploaded on YouTube channel? Yes, this video will be uploaded, beta. Don't worry. Now see, the C part is saying B played all games. What is the mean? So mean for B is very simple. B mean score will be given by 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 upon 4. You will add these. 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 6, 18 upon 4. That is 4 4 is 16, 2.0, 20.5. Answer is 4.5 or 18 upon 4. I hope you got this. And D part is who is the best performer. We have found A has average score 12.5, C has average score 4.5, and sorry, it is B. B has 4.5 and C has 8 plus 11 plus 13, that is 11 and 8 is 19, 22, 32 upon 3, it will be 10 point something. So you can see A has done the best thing. So A is the best performer. You can say as A has the highest average marks, average points, so A is the best performer. Now let's see question number 7. Please help me in this question. One second, let me make it like this. If you are not able to understand anything, you can watch the video again. Okay. Now see, question number 7. But please check your connection. Now, the enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years. 6 consecutive years may the enrollment is given to you. Sir, I have doubt in question number 8. Beta Yash, while I am explaining question number 7, what is the point of saying this? Yes, if I am explaining question number 7, how could I explain question number 8? Okay. Nana is asking, sir, how we got 12.5? Okay, please see. Nana, actually we divided it completely. Please see, when you divide 4 and 15, simple division is there. 4 ones are 4, 1 is remainder, 0 is here. Now we have 10, 4 twos are 8, remainder is 2. Now we can't divide this. So what we do, we take a decimal over here. When you take a decimal, a 0 will come on its own, then 4 5s are 20. I hope, Nana, it is clear to you now. Nana, please respond. Simple division it is. Okay, thank you. Now let's see. The enrollment in a school is given to you in 6 consecutive years. Find the mean enrollment. Very easy. Diti, very good, beta. Mean enrollment will be given by 1,555 plus 1670 plus 1750 plus 2013 plus 2540 plus 2820. So you have to add all these values divided by number of values, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to do this. Jitesh is saying answer is 2058. Very good, Jitesh. All of you can do it on your own. Just add all the values and divide it by 6. After that, you will get the answer for mean enrollment. Okay. Ashmit is saying my voice is breaking. All of you, please confirm. Is my voice okay? Are you able to understand what I'm saying? Yes, Kanishka is saying yes. Beta Ashmit, you have to check your connection. All are saying it is okay. Okay. Check your connection beta properly. Okay. Now, question number 8. The rainfall in a city on 7 days of a certain week. What we have done, we have considered a week from Monday to Sunday and we are calculating the rainfall. Okay. Suppose this is monsoon season. We are calculating the rain in terms of millimeters. कितने millimeter rain हुई इस हफ्ते में. Okay. So we have Monday 0.0 millimeters, no rain at all. On Tuesday 12.2, on Wednesday 2.1, Thursday no rain, Friday 20.5 millimeter rain, Saturday 5.5 millimeter rain, and Sunday it is a day of sun. At that day it is only 1 millimeter rain. So that means we have to check the question. First part is saying find the range of rainfall. Again, range is the spread of information. Range is spread. मतलब minimum बारिश कितनी हुई और maximum कितनी हुई. The range is between them. So range is maximum minus minimum, and maximum is how much? Maximum value is how much? Beta, please help me. Max is 20.5 on Friday, and minimum is how much? Max is 20.5. Minimum is 0.0. Very good. So answer is 20.5 only. So this is the range of the question. Very good, all of you. Kushal, Ashmit, Maculin, all of you are correct. Jitesh, correct beta. Karnik. So after dividing, the remainder comes. Then what? Then you can make it decimal if you want. Abbas, you have to learn how to find answers in decimals. Okay. If remainder is there, you can find the answer in decimals. Okay. Let's see. The second part is saying the mean rainfall for the year. Let's see. Second part, the mean rainfall is given by, very simple. Today's class is till 9:55. Na? Let me remind for that, so that I don't forget. Now, for the mean rainfall, we will add all the rainfall divided by total number of rainfalls given to us. So the formula is simple. Sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. The observations are 0.0 plus 12.2 plus 2.1 plus 0.0 plus 20.5 plus 5.5 plus 1.0. To add such numbers, the best way is simple addition. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 values. Let's add it. 0 plus 2, 2, 3, 3, 8, 13. So we have 3 over here. Point 1 is carried over. 1 plus 2 is 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, 11. So again 1 is carried. 2, 4. I think it is 41.3. All of you please confirm. Yes, all of you are saying it is 41.3 only. So the sum is correct. Divided by 7. So I have told you how to divide such questions. Either you can remove decimals. Suppose you remove decimal and multiply 10. First you divide these two. Okay, first you divide these two simply like this. Please see. 7 5s are 35. It will be 11 minus 5, 6. It will be 0 and 3. 7 9s are 63. Answer is 0. So we have answer 59 upon how much? 10. And we all know we can cut this 0 and put decimal over here. Answer is 5.9 millimeter. So I have explained you in this question how can you divide these questions easily. Understood? Very good, Ashmit, Jitesh, good beta. So never make a question complicated. Okay, always remove decimal and then find the answer. Yes, Hera, answer is 5.9, correct. Sir, please repeat Lavya is saying. Lavya, what I have done is to find the mean rainfall, I have taken all the values, these values, and I have added them like this upon 7. Why 7? Because there are 7 days. Formula for mean is sum of all observations divided by 7. Vivan, writing 1000 times that my voice is breaking will not change anything. For you only, let me ask again, all of you, is my voice okay? Just write yes or no. Is my voice okay? Yes or no? So you can see, Vivan, I am getting all the yes, no till now. That means there is some issue at your place. Please check. Okay. If 90% are getting my voice clearly, that means issue is at your place. Please check the connection. If no issue, you can go to the video also. There you will get the voice properly. Okay. Thank you, Beta Diti. Now, what is the third part? On how many days the rainfall was less than mean rainfall? You have to understand कि बेटा on which days the rainfall is less than mean rainfall. हमने निकाल तो लिया mean means 5 days. Jitesh is saying, let us see, the mean rainfall is 5.9. let's see on which days the rainfall is less. Rainfall less than mean rainfall on which days? Let's find. On this date is 0.0. Obviously, it is less than 5.5. So on Monday, we can say it is less. On Tuesday, it is 12.2. It is more than mean rainfall. It will not come in the answer. On Wednesday, it is 2.1, less than 5.9. So Tuesday will come. Then we have Thursday also 0.0 will come. Friday will not come. Saturday will come. And Sunday will come. So there are 5 days when the mean rainfall was more. Okay, I hope all of you got this. ऐसे 5 दिन थे हमारे पास जिन दिनों में the rain was less than mean rainfall. Okay, okay. Class, one request: if you understood the questions very well, you can proceed further also. Don't worry that it is not done in the class. Sir, you have written Tuesday also. One second. Sorry, beta. Tuesday will not come. It is Wednesday. Tuesday not. Thank you. Who was it? Okay, Diti. Thank you, beta. So it is Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. So if you are aware how to solve the questions, don't wait for me. You can solve. Maximum, what will happen? It will be wrong only. You can cut it and do it again. Okay. Rayan is saying voice is not coming, but some issue is there na internet then. Okay. Now let's see. Next question you can try on your own. Time is, we have time a little bit, so we can discuss. I think class will get over at, please tell, class will over at with what time? 9:55. Okay. Okay. Sir, you can please repeat question number 8. Okay, Ryan, 1 second. Ryan, in question number 8, we have to find range of rainfall. First of all, range is simple, maximum value minus minimum value. So what I have done is 20.5 is the maximum rainfall on Friday, 0.0 is the minimum rainfall. So I found like this. Then second question was find the mean rainfall for the week. To find the mean rainfall, what I have done is I have added all the values. I have added the 7 rainfalls divided by 7. Sir, what could be the definition of mean? Definition of mean is simple. It is sum of all observation upon total number of observations. It is actually a representative value. As I have told you that day also, mean वो value है जो एक complete data को represent कर सकती है. So mean is that value which can represent and give an idea of whole data. Okay. Vidisha Biswas entered the waiting room. Now I can't allow. Class is going to be over in some time. Okay. Okay, Ashima, thank you, beta. Now, Ryan, I think you got it. Ryan, the third part is on how many days the rainfall was less. Simple. We have got the average as 5.9. You can find on which date is less. Sir, why did you multiply it 10? Beta, where I multiplied 10? Okay, in the denominator. This one, na? Actually, I have removed decimal. When you remove decimal, I have told you 1 will come and one digit is there, so 10 will multiply in denominator. Okay. Sanvi, because I have removed decimal from numerator, that is why 10 is multiplied in denominator. Okay. Now, let's see the next question. The heights of 10 girls were measured in centimeter. Height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and results is as follows. In a class, suppose there are 10 girls, हमने सबकी height measure कर ली, and now we find what is the height of tallest girl. Please help me. Jitesh, very good beta. So 151 is the tallest girl, first part. Sorry, centimeters, not meters. Tallest girl we have found. What is the height of shortest girl? Please help. 128 Nana Goel is saying, correct beta. Kanishka correct. Sara correct. Ashmit correct. Nitin correct. So all of you are correct. Vivan correct beta. Now third part is saying, what is the range of beta? Very easy. The range can be found by highest minus lowest. So highest is 151. Lowest is 128. Let's subtract it. 11 minus 8 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 23. So the range is 23. Correct, Diti? Now the fourth part is, what is the mean height? The mean height, same formula. Mean height will be given by sum of all the values, that is like this. Mokshita is saying, please unmute me. Mokshita, what happened, beta? I will unmute you beta soon after this lecture is over. Okay, I can't unmute you in between. Okay, so you have to add all these values upon 10. So you will get the answer. It will be easy for you. Jitesh is saying answer is 141.4. So you will just add all the value and divide by 10. The last value is fifth part. How many girls have height more than mean height? So again, you have to check. The mean is 141.4. So you have to check which heights are more than this. If you find it, that will be your answer. Nirvair is saying 5 girls are having more than mean height. Maybe you are correct. Okay. So, any doubts till now? You want me to repeat anything? Please ask. Very good, Nirvair. Good, beta. Class, one more thing I want to say. Try questions on your own first. Before coming to the lecture, try to solve the questions on your own so that you get the answers in a better way. You understand the explanation easily. Okay. Now let's see the next question for an idea. I think that's it from my side. I had only this question in my kitty today. Still, let's see what else we can discuss. I think we are done. Exercise is done. Next topic is mode. Let me give you an idea. Mode is that value which comes maximum number of times. Plus, mode is again a representative value. There are 3 values I told you: mean, median, and mode. Okay, beta, I know 5 minutes are left. Don't worry. So, class, as I've told you, there are 3 values which can represent data. Just for an idea, understand this thing. Suppose you have a great data of around 100 values. You want to give an idea to someone in one value. There is mean, there is mode, there is median. So we have three values which can represent data. First is mean, second is median, and third is mode. Please don't start your video, class. Don't disturb the class. Yes, Kritika, we have three things to represent values, that is mean, median, and mode. Mokshita is saying, please tell me, sir, average and mean is same or not? Beta, how many times I've told you this thing? Mokshita, mean and average is same thing. You have to add all the values divided by total number of values. Okay? Either you say it arithmetic mean, or you say it mean, or you say it average. It is the same thing. Mokshita, you got it now? Okay. So in mean, we have discussed the mean. Now let's discuss mode. Mode is what? Suppose you have 10 values. Yes, beta. Class will get over at 9:55. Correct. Mode is that value which repeats maximum number of time. Tell them to present for the class on time and don't leave in the period, and join with their own name and section, not with their parents' name of attendance. Okay, class, one instruction from observer ma'am, that she will not give you attendance if you come with your parents' name. You have to come with your complete name along with your class and section, like Jitesh Khurana, 7th B, in this way. Okay, don't change your name. Okay, if you have any issue, one second, let me stop the recording first.